Hello everyone, this is INE Foundation Lab 2 section 7.3 VPNv4. So let me explain MPLS VPN network and how we can configure VPNv4 on PE routers and how we can distribute our protocol on PE routers for customers to see each other. Okay, for MPLS VPN network, we have to configure root distinguisher, root target, MBGP or multi-protocol BGP. We have to distribute routing protocol between MBGP and our VRF. Okay, let me draw this. This is our MPLS network. Let's verify to show IP protocol. Oops. Okay, one important thing I want to tell is that, let me show, if I do show down type section go to OSPF. Okay, I'm using OSPF process ID of 200. This is VRF because I'm using VRF for OSPF. OSPF is configured on the OSPF is configured on the VRF interface. Then, if I want to show it in show IP protocol, I have to use VRF. I have to type in show IP protocols. I can see this OSPF because show IP protocol is for global routing. There is no OSPF, BGP and RIP. I have to type show IP protocols and type VRF and then type our VRF name. In this way, I can see this OSPF network I've configured in previous lab. Okay, I have OSPF network 200 here, and I have OSPF network 201 here. Customize. This is LSR. This is LER. This is LER either. Or PEP. And this is our MPLS network right now. Okay, just so quick refresh our mind. VPNv4 consists of two parts. One is 64-bit root distinguisher, the other one is 32-bit IP address, and the format for root distinguisher is ASN colon 99, and ID must be unique for different VRF on same area. In other words, for each VRF we have to have unique ID on area, and for configuring RD is on the this is new version. On the VRF definition, I simply type RD and ASN colon 9. This is for how we can configure RD. We have root target. Root target is 64-bit. It's extended community used to tag prefixes, used to distribute VPN routing information between LER routers, and it is attached to BGP update messages. But we have two types of root targets: import and export. Okay, and we can conquer root target in two ways. One is by root target import or export command. The other one is we can use export map or import map. What are the differences? It is with the export with target command. The root target is added for all our VPNs. We cannot filter which route which VPN routes we want to export or import. But with import map and export map, we can filter which VPN routes we want to export and import. For configuring export map, we can use with prefix list or without prefix list. If we don't use prefix list, then it's not filtering VPN routes. If we use prefix list, then it will filter our VPN routes. For export map without prefix list, it's just simple. We first create route map and permit and type set extended community RT and ASN colon NN. This is like RD structure, but it is VPN extended community. And under our VIF definition, this is important. This export map in VIF definition is under address family configuration. Under address family IPv4 we type export map, but root target is under VIF definition itself. For filtering our traffic, it's so simple. We first create IP prefix list and match our VPN route we want to filter. Then route map, I match this prefix list by IP address, match IP address prefix list, and set our extended VPN extended community. And under VIF definition, address family, we export this map. Okay, for MPLS VPN configuration on PE routers, we use multi-protocol BGP or MBGP. Let's let me draw this. This is our area of PE. This is PE. Either. Let's change the color. Let's black. Customize. Purple. Okay, we have MBGP here, MBGP and MBGP. MBGP. The role of MBGP is to redistribute our VPNv4 route between PE and PE routers. This is the job of MBGP. And we have customer here, customer and customer. So it's important on PE router on PE we have PE ingress LSR or ingress LSR. On PE on the BGP configuration we have address family VPNv4. Disable address family if VPNv4 is for we specify our remote PE address and activate. I have to address family VPNv4 is for PE connectivity and P connectivity. Actually, this address family is for this connectivity between P and PE. We have address family IP for VIF. Important. This is customer VIF name. This is for customer connectivity. We should have address family IP for VRF for VRF side. This is like change. Great. We have another address family IPv4 VRF for our customers. This is how we use VRF here. This is customer. In other words, we don't use address family IP4 VRF on P. On P routers we usually have address family VPNv4, but we don't have address family IP4 VRF. But on PE routers we have both address family VPNv4 and address family IP4 VRF. This is for both PE routers. 1 to 2 watt with PE and the other for our customer side. And if we use static or other routing protocol for CE, we have to redistribute this port. We have another routing protocol, and we redistribute our BGP inside for our customers. Okay, let's go and configure this section. Okay, configure BGP VPNv4 between 3, 9, and 10. This is our PE routers. And RT should save as VPNv4 with reflector. Okay, this is we have. Reflector. Okay, RT is our root reflector, and 9 and 10 are our root reflector client. This is like this one. I have to come with this. Okay, the root reflector. I think it is refresh our root reflector. BGP. Okay. But just quick review. We first understand what is IBGP rule. IBGP will not advertise a BGP advertisement is learned from IBGP neighbor to another IBGP neighbor. This is for loop prevention. And for this reason, we have to configure full mesh for our IBGP networks. And for simplify our configuration, so that we don't configure all mesh, BGP full mesh, we simply use BGP root reflector. It will simplify our configuration. We can have the three type of peerings in BGP root reflector. One is eBGP neighbor. We have iBGP client. This is this is our client inside our cluster. And we have iBGP non-client. Non-client is outside our cluster. It is outside our cluster, or it's not under our cluster. And then we have iBGP root rules. Root learner from eBGP neighbor can be forwarded to eBGP client and non-client. Learned from client, this is inside cluster, can be forwarded to another eBGP neighbor client and non-client. Okay. We can disable this rule by client-to-client reflection. We can disable this client-to-client reflection by no BGP client command. Okay, this is okay. Then we can root learning from non-client. This is client outside cluster, can be forwarded to another eBGP. Can be forwarded to client, but not to non-client. This is the normal IBGP route. Only non-client to non-client, it's not possible. This is for loop prevention. And for configuration, it's so simple. And with the reflector itself, we simply type neighbor. This is IP address of our client, and type neighbor IP address with reflector client. So IP address of client. So that's it with config. This section. Okay, configure VPNv4 between 39 and 10, and 3 should save as VPNv4 with reflector. Okay, now 10 should be with reflector. Okay, let's check out what is going on in showdown. 5 section dot BGP. Okay, I have BGP 65300. I have no BGP default before unicast. I have to activate for each neighbor. Okay, I have configured P group in previous sections. I've configured peer group, and peer group name is this name. Or I've added AS into peer group, or I've added address source into peer group. And let's see. Okay, only 9 and 10 are peer group neighbor. 5 is our 5 is not. 555 is not our inside peer group. I've gone peer group. I added this. Okay, for this is our peer routers. As I said earlier, in peer routers, I have only address family. I have to come with address family VPN before. I don't have to come with this PIF. Okay, first go to address family VPN before. Config T. Okay, router BGP address family. I have several address family L2 VPN and SAP VPN before and unicast. And I have to activate this IP. I have to activate. Okay, I have first to configure with reflector because our should be with reflector. Okay, next neighbor. For configure with reflector, I simply use. This is important. For configure with reflector, we have to use with reflector client on the address family. On the address family, this is I have already configured for IPv4. I have to come on neighbor P. It's the same as this neighbor. I have to configure this is on the address family on the VPNv4 itself. Either neighbor P with the client. Both become with but now 9 and 10 should become client. Then I have to activate those. under this VPNv4. Enable activate and enable activate. Let's go on other side. Show down pipe section dot BGP. Okay, under dot BGP add this family VPNv4 unicast, and I specify root filter neighbor and activate. Up. Let's go on 10. Show down pipe section dot BGP config T dot BGP add this family VPNv4 unicast and specify with the filter and activate. And if I do show BGP summary, this is okay. I can do show. Okay. Okay, done. I have configured VPNv4 between T, 9 and 10, and T is our root reflector, and 9 and 10 are root reflector client. Okay, now let's go on. 9 VIF should import RT value 201 colon 201. It should import this RT value. R10 should import this value. And don't use command with target export on 9 and 10 to export RT. Okay, this is lab restriction. Okay, instead of with target command, I will use export map. But let's analyze what we should do. Let's check create a lab. Create new lab. It's so messy. Okay. Okay, now I should import this value. Now should import value 2 on the 201 and 201. It should import, and on our turn I should export. I create export map and export this value so that R9 can import. Okay, let's go on R10 and I create export. I will use export map with that IP perfectly. Okay, let's with map type export 201. permit 10 and set extended community and this is RT, this is RT value, and this is VPN extended community. I want to export this let me check another. Okay. 201. Okay, export RT1. Then on the VPN I have to export map. Okay, VIF definition is VPN, and under address family, this is under address family export. IPv4 I type export map and type my with map name I have configured before. This is our export with map name. That's it. And on 9 I have to import. On the VIF definition VPN, under this I have with target import 201 and 201. Okay, now I have to the same one for R10. It is this time 200. Should import. Now on R10 should import 200. Then I have to export 200 on 9. On 9 I create route map again. RT, I type route map, export 200 and set extended what was this extended community? What is this? Okay, permit route map permit 10 set extend community RT 200 colon 200, and under VIF I have to go under VIF definition VPN type export map actually address family. Export map is not on address family IPv4, then export map. Route map name is this one, export map, this one, On the other side, I have to export. On the config T VIF definition VPN. Import is on the VIF definition. Import. Actually, root target is root target import 200 and 200. Okay, this is how we can distribute our VPN routes. Down, and this is done here. And ensure switch 3 and 4 have reachability between the over MPLS network, between the SBI interfaces. Okay, for MPLS VPN to work, I have to do some distribution on PE. I have to create address family IPv4 and redistribute our routes on PE. Okay, let's check. Our 9 and 10 is our PE. 3 is okay. Next, showdown part section. Go to BGP config T. Okay, I have to show VPN. Okay. Do show VIF. I have VIF VPN. Then I have to create address family for this VIF. And I have do show run type section with the OSPF. And I have this OS water OSPF. How to distribute this? Okay, first call BGP. I have to do mutual distribution. On the BGP, on the I have to create address family. Then IPv4 VIF and type VPN. And under this address family, IPv4 VPN, I have to redistribute OSPF and under this OSPF network routing protocol, I have to redistribute BGP. This is BGP number and type subnet. And let's go on 10. I have to show down type section with a BGP, and I have to show down type section with the OSPF. I have two OSPF. I have OSPF for customer, and this is our PE router. For this, I have to go create address family IPv4 VIF for our VPN for customer VIF, and redistribute OSPF 201, and under this we have to redistribute our BGP network. 7. Okay, now let's verify our VPNv4 routes. Everything working. Okay, this is our VPNv4. This is one default, and this is distinguisher, the root distinguisher, and this is distribution of VPN work. Okay, now let's check switch 3 and 4 after applicability between the SPI interfaces. Let's check. Short interface behavior. What is the SPI interface? Let's ping here. Here's the show IP route. Let's check. What's this? 10. Shut on. I have created address from a VPN. I have redistributed OSPF 201. Correct. And on the address family before we have VPN. Okay, here I have made a mistake. I should redistribute BGP instead of OSPF. Let me fix this one. Okay, on the address family VPN I have redistributed OSPF into BGP. It is correct, but this one is not correct. Okay, this is the correct OSPF. This family before we distribute OSPF one. Integrity is okay. This is okay. And what OSPF 65,300. Okay, this is correct either. Online. Show down. 5 section. Now 10. Let's check R9. Well, we are this family before. We have VPN. The VPN is correct. With this OSPF. It's true. And on the router OSPF 200 VPN. We distributed this. Also, it is correct either. Okay, I have this route via YouTube. Let's ping on. show IP time. Show preserve interface VLAN. Okay, now let's check on if I have ability to. Let's ping this. No. So let me pause this on and let find out why it's not working. Okay, the problem I want to analyze this issue, and the problem was if I do show IP 7999, this is LSR, remote LSR, I cancel label. The problem is that interface 0/1.103 should have label. Didn't save this in previous lab. Okay, let's go under this interface. Because this is this interface between 9 and 3. I have conquered in previous lab, but I didn't save this one. And there's type MPLS IP. Now if I touch IP sub and I see label. Okay, on switch 4, let's verify our last part. Switch 3 and 4 should have reachability over these interfaces. And I ping, and so everything is working. Okay, this is this part. Let's verify other side. I have to have show IP interface brief. I have to have ping on this one. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.